Thank you for the introduction. And first of all, congratulations to the Cat por Mil for maintaining this tradition that every COP we are here. We know that this has been particularly challenging for the COP26, but let me go one step back to share with you the pleasure, the honor of having the chance to speak to you today. It all started in 2015 in Paris with the COP21, when France brought soil carbon into the political agenda, into the political debate. All the soil scientists, many of them here present virtually or in presence, knew about it before, but it was the merit of France that in COP21, the Cat por Mil has been launched, has been established, has been captured by the decision makers. And congratulations for not let the ball drop. That's why soil carbon today has a French accent. So we are very, very proud of that. Congratulations to you. In FAO, we have been accompanying this process, admiring this process, joining this process, and doing our work as well. So in 2017, we organized the first global soil carbon symposium in Rome. And Cat por Mil colleagues participate. Of course, they are members of the Global Soil Partnership. That was another point that we set the stage. We had the heads of the 3 Rio conventions joining us, the president of Fiji, that was the presidency of the next COP. So we all benefit from the fact that soil carbon is in the agenda. In these 6 years that have passed and that Cat por Mil has doing its work and trying to keep the pace in the science policy interface, what is next? What we need to do? We have to put the action on the ground. The momentum is now. You've seen here in COP26 how big importance came to forest, to methane. We have to bring the soil in there. The pledge have to be there. The action has to be there. We are trying to do our part. We launched last year a recarbonization of agricultural soils program. We call it REC Soil. And this year, FAO, through its Global Soil Partnership, launched the first ever global soil carbon sequestration potential map. This is online. It's a very nice application for you to download and see. And I don't want to get the wrong figures. It demonstrated that sustainably managed soils can sequester up to 0.56 petagrams of carbon. That is 2.05 gigatons of CO2 equivalent. Ladies and gentlemen, this represents about 1/3 of the global agricultural emissions. We know that the agricultural sectors are responsible for 1/3 of the emissions. So with sustainable soil management, scientifically studied, we can guarantee that sustainable soil management can sequester 1/3 of it. And not only, because it's not only the question of mitigation, soil carbon can improve a lot fertility, water retention, biodiverse soil. So it's essential for adaptation as well. It's a big match, and it's one of the cheapest alternatives for mitigation and adaptation. So we are very proud to work with you to launch together the Manual of Good Practices to Sequester Soil Carbon, which is happening at this event. More than, I don't know, 400 scientists, including the 4 Cat por Mil scientists, participated. And we want you to raise the ambition. That's necessary, because the IPCC report that came out last August tell us very clear something that we knew it, but we were afraid to say. We are not on the right path. We are not doing enough. It's certainly not enough. So we have to upscale, we have to search for the investment. And my ambition is that we go to Egypt now, but we have to build the pathway for COP27 to reach there and make the thunder on soil carbon as forestry and methane have done at COP26 to put the pathway together. We had progresses in COP26 already. You saw the results of the Coronivia joint work on agriculture and the joint document that was produced by SABSTA and the SBI, which is very promising and move us ahead. But we are moving well. We are not moving fast enough and with the ambition that is high enough. So that's our call for you to participate on this. And again, to Cat por Mil, congratulations for putting up the event in these very particular conditions. We learned a lot on the hybrid systems now, and you have done great in bringing it to COP26. Thank you very much.